Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am talking about the difference between neutral wire and earth wire. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Neutral wire. In an AC alternating current electrical circuit, the conductor wire that is used to provide a neutral path to the electric current is known as neutral or neutral wire. Earth wire. In an electrical wiring system, an earth or ground is a conductor wire which is mainly provided to protect the electrical appliance and uses of the appliance from the electric shock. Therefore, the earth or ground wire is primarily used for safety concern against the leakage currents in the electrical systems. Now, we will discuss about some common difference between earth and neutral wire. Neutral wire versus earth wire. The conductor wire provided for carrying the return current back to the supply source in an AC system is known as neutral wire. In any electrical wiring system, a wire which is provided for safety concern against leakage currents in the system and is connected to the ground is known as earth wire. The neutral wire is connected between neutral terminal of source and load. The earth wire is connected between body of the electrical appliance and the ground. The neutral wire provided a return to the electric current in the circuit. Earth wire provide a path of leakage to follow from device body to the ground. Neutral wire always carry a return current in the normal conditions in the AC circuit. Earth wire does not carry any electrical current under normal conditions. It carry current only when there is a fault in the device. The standard color for neutral wire is black. The color of earth wire is green or green yellow. The conductor's wire used for provided neutral has relatively higher resistance than earth wire. The resistance of the earth wire is lower than that of neutral wire. The neutral wire is only exist in AC circuit and not in DC circuits. The earth wire exists in both AC and DC circuits because it provides safety against electric shock to the users of the appliance. When required, a neutral wire can be converted into earth wire by connecting it to ground. An earth conductor cannot be converted into neutral wire. The most significant difference between them is that the neutral wire is used as a return path for electric current in an AC system, while the earth wire is used as a safety wire in any electric system. However, both the earth wire and the neutral wire have the same voltage equal to 0. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.